For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. Paul Jackson Pollock was born on the 28th of January 1912, died on the 11th of August 1956. He was an American painter and a major figure in the abstract expressionist movement. He was widely noticed for his technique of pouring or splashing liquid household paint onto a horizontal surface, enabling him to view and paint his canvases from all angles. It was also called action painting. Number 5. 1948 is a painting by Jackson Pollock, an American painter known for his contributions to the abstract expressionist movement. The painting was created on fibreboard, also known as composition board, measuring 8 inches by 4 inches. For the paint, Pollock chose to use liquid paints. More specifically, they were synthetic resin paints, gloss enamel, but are referred to as oil paints for classification of the work. On inspection it was grey, brown, white, and yellow paint drizzled in a way that many people still perceive as a dense bird's nest. Mural on Indian red ground is a 1950 abstract expressionist drip painting by American artist Jackson Pollock, currently in the collection of the Tehran Museum of Contemporary Art. It is valued at about $250 million and is considered one of Pollock's greatest works. Autumn Rhythm, number 30, is a 1950 abstract expressionist painting by American artist Jackson Pollock in the collection of the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. The work is a distinguished example of Pollock's 1947-52 poured painting style, and is often considered one of his most notable works. The Deep is an abstract expressionist painting by American painter Jackson Pollock. Pollock here uses a combination of dripping black and white paints, only to break it down with touches of yellow. There are many interpretations on the meaning of the painting, and the painting's name, most often as a deep and profound void or hole, a viscous cut, or a dying man, hence the name The Deep. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share. Thanks for watching.